let's see how to run LT3017. First, we open this valve, pneumatic air valve. Then we set by this valve 50% and by this valve 0.2 megapascal. That's mean 2 kg pressure. After set this system, we open this valve and then we bend, first open and then close. Then we start this system. First we open this equalizer valve, then close the vent, both of them close. Then we open this block valve or isolation valve. Last we close this valve and the LT will be start. LT3017 has a trip condition that crank level when it is goes to 12.5%, then 305P will be shut automatically, and when the level increase to 85%, then P305 automatically start.